on an unknown island, a secret tournament is being fought.
Welcome, gentlemen, to Zodiac Island.
A contest of skills. A trial of power. A game of death.
Only one can be champion.
This is insane.
The Zodiac Tournament. Featuring Big Fu.
Used to break legs. This seems a little more fair.
George.
Try that kung fu shit on me! I dare ya!
Carl Chu.
Learn to fight like a real man.
Dr. Shang.
No others could survive the challenges that my island will put before you.
Wei Shen.
Bring it on!
Come on, Shen!
And many more.
This is better than a cockfight any day!
Sleeping Dogs, the Zodiac Tournament back.